Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. Today's video I'm going to be showing you 10 beauty hacks. So the first one, starting out, is to use red lipstick under your eyes before you put on concealer, and it will color correct and make your under eyes look less dark than they would if you just used only concealer. And I'll show you a before and after. And this eye that I'm showing right now is the one with the lipstick under it, and the other eye is the one without it and just concealer, and you can see a pretty major difference. For this next hack, you're going to be blow drying your eyelash curler. Only do it for about like 10 to 15 seconds, and before you put it on your eye, make sure that you test out the heat on your hand so it's not too hot to go onto your eye, and then once it's like a comfortable temperature, just curl your eyelashes and your curl will last all day. It's amazing and it makes your eyelashes stay super curly and it looks so good, trust me. For this next one, I just put white eyeliner in my bottom waterline, and it makes your eyes look super awake and open. And I put black eyeliner in my left eye just to show you a comparison, and the right eye looks a lot bigger. This next one is another concealer hack. So you're going to want to just put some concealer on the back of your hand and then scrape some pressed powder. Make sure it's colored though, and mix it in with that concealer, and it's going to make it so much thicker and give you so much more coverage. I put a before and after of one eye using this and then the other eye just using only the concealer, and the difference is huge. This one is super quick. If you're ever in a rush and forget to put on like blush or bronzer or something, all you have to do is pinch your cheeks and it'll make you look like you put blush on. As you can see on the right side of my face. If you ever have a pimple and it's like not flat, it's like bumping out and you can see it under concealer, all you have to do is turn it into a freckle, and all you need to do that is a brow pencil or like a brown eyeliner or something and just blend it out and it'll look exactly like a freckle. The one I'm pointing at is the fake one, and then that is real. This next hack is a money saver, and I've been doing this for so long. All you need to have is chapstick or Vaseline, and it works as glitter glue. So just put it down wherever you want your glitter, and then put the glitter right over top of it, and it'll stick right to it, and it won't go anywhere. Obviously, as long as you don't touch it, but that's a given. But it works so well. For this next one, you're just going to need some Vaseline and perfume. So you're going to want to put the Vaseline wherever you spray your perfume, like on your wrists and like behind your ears and stuff, and then spray the perfume right over top of it, and it's going to make it last so much longer. All you're going to do for this next one is spray some hairspray on your bobby pins when you are wearing them, and then just put it in your hair like you would, and it's going to make that bobby pin stay in place all day, no matter how much you shake your head. This last one is also going to save you some money. All you have to do is use shampoo as a brush cleaner. Literally use it the same as you would use a normal brush cleaner, but those are so expensive, and you already have shampoo in your shower. So just use that, and it works just as well.